Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to reset the Chevy Cruze oil light. Turn the ignition to on and do not start the engine, then use the steering wheel menu to access vehicle settings. Scroll to Oil Life or Oil Life Reset, press and hold the Set or Checkmark button until the display reads 100% or shows Reset Confirmation. Release the button and verify the message clears before turning off the ignition. Start with the ignition on but engine off, then use the arrow buttons on the left or right side of the wheel to navigate. Find the menu labeled Vehicle Information or Oil Life and press the checkmark or OK button to open it. Once you see Oil Life, press and hold the Reset or Set button for several seconds until the display shows 100% or a reset confirmation, then release and double-check the dashboard lights. If the oil light returns after resetting, try the process again with the key removed and then reinserted, or try cycling the ignition to on twice before resetting. Verify you access the correct Oil Life menu, since some trims listed under Maintenance or Vehicle Info. If the light persists or a wrench icon appears, have a mechanic scan for stored codes to ensure no sensor or maintenance interval issue is causing the warning to remain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.